In this video, I'll help answer the question, can you get rich mining crypto? Before we dive in, if you like this channel, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos on investing, could you please subscribe to this channel? Now, if you don't already know, Tykr is all about helping investors, especially beginners, manage their own investments with confidence. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to break this down into 8 simple points, and I'm going to focus on Bitcoin. So number 1, what is Bitcoin mining, or what is mining in general? That is when you use computers to solve for hash. If you solve for hash, you mine a coin and then you're paid for that. But essentially, you are solving for hash using computers. This leads to number 2, which is if you do solve for hash, how much are you paid? Well, in Bitcoin's case, if you were to mine 1 Bitcoin, you are paid 6.25 Bitcoin. So when you run the math on that, you take 6.25 times, let's use a nice round price of $65,000. Again, 6.25 times $65,000 means you would earn $406,000 for mining 1 Bitcoin on your own. This leads to number 3, which is, can you mine a Bitcoin on your own? The answer is no, and there are 3 reasons why. Number 1, there's too much competition. Number 2, it's very energy intensive, which we'll get to in a minute. And number 3, the supply of Bitcoin has almost reached its maximum potential. There's only 7% of Bitcoin left to be mined. This leads to number 4, which is, how do you make money? Well, you join a pool, a group of people all working together to solve for hash. Number 5 would be, what hardware do you need? You need a system called an ASIC. ASIC stands for Application Specific Integrated Circuit, and it can cost about $10,000 to get an ASIC. This leads to number 6, which is, what software do you need? So I did a little homework on this, and some of the most popular mining softwares where you can pool together with other miners would be CG Miner, Awesome Miner, and Easy Miner. All right, this leads to number 7, which is a big one. What are the energy costs? So check this out. To mine 1 coin require more energy than 500,000 PlayStation 3s plugged in and working together at the exact same time. And to kind of give you perspective on that, Bitcoin now consumes more energy per year than the entire country of the Netherlands. And this leads to number 8, which is, can you get rich mining crypto? The answer is an obvious no. Most articles I read have talked about the energy costs to extract a coin, even if you're in a pool, are greater than the amount you're paid. So in most cases, you're going to be in the negative. So if you're thinking about mining crypto, especially Bitcoin, I would definitely not advise doing that. There are other ways out there where you can make more money, especially passive income or somewhat passive income, and mining crypto isn't one of them. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. And if you're interested in joining Tykr, which is all about safe investing in the stock market, Warren Buffett style, you can certainly join for free. And we also have a free training in the show notes below. Look for that phrase, free training. It's 3 easy steps on how you, even beginners, can start investing on your own with confidence. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.